This is what Jazzy does every morning. Look at her. Jazzy, ready? This is how we let the blow up bed down. When Robert leaves, we have to let the little blow up bed down. Look at her. Just terror. I think she's mad because I won't put no canned food in her food. So she just tipped her bowl over. So I took her bowl off. So she really taking it out on the puppy this morning. Bad Jazzy. Bad Jazzy. Tear that puppy out. What that puppy doing? Get the pup. Well, ride him, cowboy. Get it, Jazzy. Get it, Jazzy. Get it, Jazzy. Get it, Jazzy. She is mad this morning. She really mad, ain't she? I don't care. You don't be tipping no bowls over in this house, especially when you don't have to clean it up. Well, he's crazy. I think my dog has ADD, animal dog deficit. Get her some medication. Look, she done wore herself out. Oh no, I lied. Okay. And she mad. See, she looked over there. She is mad this morning. You ain't tired yet? Psycho doggy. Psycho puppy, get your puppy off my foot. Step away from the camera. Yes, I'm videotaping this. So when we go see the doggy psychiatrist, they know where I'm coming from. Yeah, talk about you. Look out. Oh, puppy. Oh, puppy. That's why the little puppies in the neighborhood don't play with her no more, because she's just bad. She bigger than them. She be bullying them. Slapping them upside their head. Look at her. Look at her. It's a sight for sore eyes. What are you doing, Jazzy Marie? What you doing, Jazzy Marie? Look at her. Well, you know what? She can act a psycho if she wants to, but if she hit my plants or break my pictures that I gotta finish putting up, I don't know what she gonna do when I get my furniture up in here 2 weeks from now. It's gonna be a sad day in Campbell land. Jazzy Marie Campbell. Jazzy Marie. Jazzy Marie. Jazzy Marie. What's she doing? Look at her. Oh, puppy. Stop. Don't be trying to put puppy on me. I will not be responsible for the puppy. All right. Hey. Hey. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Love you.